Hello, good morning and welcome to Not Just About Ducks with me, Angela. It's such a beautifully cold day today. It's really nice to have a little proper chill. Anyway, without further ado, let's go and see the ducks. There they go. Come on. There they are. We've had a little bit of a frost, a very little bit. Today, is it? Well, that's not good. Compost, gets it squished. Hey ducks, come on! Monkeys! What do you mean no? Come on, come on! Run, run, run! Run, run, run! Good job! Good job! Good job! Look at gooses. Nuggies. Miss Lucy, I have to check you. I think you may be egg-bound, my love. Yes, I have to get these birds in because I have to I've got two little ducks, two little chickens with bumblefoot, so it's time I have to get them in so I can sort it. Come on. Oh dear, hurry. Go on. be having you. Come on, you slowpoke. Come on. Go on. Go on. Hi. In. 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 Come on. In. In. Good job. Well done. Let's get this little door shut. Oh my goodness. So a few things today. I'm out of path. I got frost on the lawn. Well, what's left of the lawn. So I got to collect the eggs. And then I have to get the birds in, but before that, I'll get the eggs in, then I have to get the birds in. What have I got to do? I have a chicken up in the house that was brought down to me that isn't very well. So it's had all its tail feathers plucked out, so I need to introduce that. So it's in a box in the dining room, so I need to introduce that to where it will be staying and keep a close eye on her, make sure she's integrated and all the rest of it, and not picked on, because chickens can be you know, quite fierce with each other. Oh, I've not got my phone. That's a bit on the silly side, so I'll just crack on with collecting the eggs. Eggs for today. I gotta go and get a sack of food. I'll be right back. I've just got Miss Lucy. I'm just going to palpate her abdomen. And she's fine. There you go, Lucy. There you go. Yes. That's one of the animals sorted. I wasn't too sure if she was going to lay an egg yesterday because she was sat in a nest, and I just expected to find an egg, unless but not to worry, it is what it is. She's not egg bound. Sometimes geese do lay eggs in autumn. They're called Michaelmas eggs. So so I keep wondering, because she's on the nest on occasions, I keep wondering if she's laying eggs. Anyway, let's go and get the new tuk-tuk, and we'll introduce her to the others. So they've got their food, their water, we've got the eggs. I'll just be back. I won't be a second. So this is Blue, apparently. And her problem is the chickens where she was. Were pulling out her tail feathers, and she was quite bloody. So she's had an evening in the house in a box, haven't you? So we're just going to put her in the duck house. I'll show her where she's got to stay and introduce her to the rest of the flock and see how she gets on. So come on, let's go and do that. Yes, I see you. What's that? Look, there's a duck. Don't get stressed. Oh dear. Yes, look. See? Yes, look there, look. There's one there. There's one there. Let's put you down. Let's see what she does. Ganderten. It's just a chicken, love. I know you're only doing your job. Oh well, let's see how they get on.